Now, as soon as the European markets opened today and the Dow futures started going down, our markets had a great 110 points fall straight away. Hi, this is Utkarsh Bhargav and welcome to another amazing episode of Daily Market Analysis here at Roaring Bulls. Now, if you are new to the channel, definitely consider subscribing to the channel because इस चैनल पे आया हुआ कंटेंट आपको जरूर फायदा दे सकता है आपके डेली ट्रेडिंग सेशंस के अंदर बिकॉज वी डिस्कस एंड एनालाइज एवरीथिंग दैट हैपेंस in the market on day-to-day basis, and we also discuss the potential levels that are available that can actually be sensible for the next trading session. So definitely consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell notification icon so you do not miss even a single update. Now in the day today it was actually a gap up opening, a good gap up opening, but 15,760 15,770 जोन निफ्टी सस्टेन नहीं कर पाया और जैसे ही यूरोपियन मार्केट्स ओपन हुए डाउ फ्यूचर्स भी नीचे जाना चालू हो गए. डाउ जोन्स, दैट इज द यूएस मार्केट फ्यूचर्स, एंड आवर मार्केट्स हैड अ ग्रेट big intraday fall around approximately I guess 1 or 1:30 p.m. The fall was so huge, it was 100 or 110 points fall. Now the fall can be mainly contributed to the extensive selling by the FIIs because of the market pressure, the international market pressure. But अगर आप देखेंगे 15,650 का जो जोन है, जो इंस्टीट्यूशनल सपोर्ट जोन हम इतने दिनों से डिस्कस करते आ रहे हैं, दैट जोन हैज एक्टेड एज अ good support zone, and I believe that the DIs must have come into action, and they pushed Nifty back to approximately 15,700 zone. But right now if we'll see at the OI data, option chain पे चल के देखेंगे, अभी हम option chain में एनालाइज करेंगे तो ये समझ में आ रहा है कि 15,700 अब एक अच्छा रेजिस्टेंस है और 15,800 काफी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस है. So 16,000 is not coming anytime soon in this expiry. That's what I can see from here. Now Bank Nifty was actually a little more powerful than Nifty for the day. Nifty closed around 2 points up for the day, but Bank Nifty managed to close around I think more than 100 points up for the day, 126 points up for the day. But 35,400 is still a good resistance in the Bank Nifty index. That's what I can see. And interestingly, cement stocks like Ultra Chemco, Shree Cement, they performed amazingly well, and both of these actually came out to be Nifty's top gainer for the day. And other than cement, reality sector also did very well. So DLF, Soba Reality, Suntech, Oberoi Reality, all of them actually did very well in the day, and most of them actually closed more than 3% up for the day. So that was about the reality sector. And textile sector has been doing really well, and mainly the this whole power in the textile sector can be contributed to the IPO by Nykaa that is soon going to be launched. So if you look at Page Industries, Raymond, Bombay Dyeing, CR Arm Silks, and many other textile stocks actually gained a lot throughout the day. काफी heavy buying textile stocks के अंदर आपको देखने को मिली आज. And हमारे मार्केट के क्रैश होने का ऑलमोस्ट वही टाइम था जब यूरोपियन मार्केट्स ओपन हुए और सीधे रेड में ट्रेड होना चालू हो गए. दे स्टार्टेड ट्रेडिंग इन रेड एंड डाउ फ्यूचर्स वर आल्सो डाउन. सो दैट वाज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड important thing to see here. But now in this week there are two important events that you should look forward to, and both of these events are actually results from the IT companies, that is from the two important IT stocks, that is Infosys and Wipro. Infosys will come out with results on Wednesday and Wipro का result आएगा Thursday को. हमें इन दोनों चीजों पे ध्यान रखना है. ये events important हो सकते हैं और निफ्टी को direction दे सकते हैं. Still Nifty is very volatile as of now, and if it is volatile, that is very much fine. At the Millionaire Trader Club, if you are not a part of the Millionaire Trader Club, first of all, I would want you to just go in the description below and check what the Millionaire Trader Club is all about, and you are going to love the learnings that you get at the Millionaire Trader Club and the support that you are going to get at the TMT Club with every senior member and mentor at the TMT Club. Now, at the TMT Club, we have built Iron Condor. That's an option trading strategy, and the strategy has already been giving us more than 1.5% in return for this week. So the strategy is going actually pretty well. So stay tuned till the very end of the video, my friend, because we are going to discuss and analyze everything that happened into the markets today and what are the possibilities, what are the possible levels of trading for tomorrow's trading session. So stay tuned till the very end, and we are going to understand everything. Okay, so there was just one stock that came into our, actually multiple stocks came into our scanner, but there was only Granules that was able to give us, almost halfway target. Let me actually show it to you. Let me zoom on to Granules and shift it to 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, much better. So now in Granules, can you see that we had our buying level set at, let me show you. Yeah, we had a buying level set at 371 and we had a complete target that was achieved at 374. That was a target 1, and then there was the target 2 at 383, but we could not get till 383. So in Granules we were able to book actually these 3 or 4 points that came into our target. So yes, we can see here, here was a target that we were able to achieve. The target 1 was 374. That was the only stock that came into a scanner and it helped us to reach the target, right? Now अब हम बात कर लेते हैं निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी की. निफ्टी के अंदर अगर हम चल के देखेंगे तो सबसे पहले हमको क्या दिख रहा है निफ्टी के अंदर. Let me switch Nifty to 15-minute time frame, and can you see Nifty has been continuously taking, let me actually remove the institutional indicator. Yeah, so Nifty has been continuously taking support at this zone. Can you see that? Nifty has been continuously taking support at this zone. So this is a very crucial and a very important zone in Nifty. Let me actually show you this particular area. So can you see that in Nifty this zone is being continuously acting as a support? So 15,600 15,650 zone is a good support in Nifty. That you have to remember. Every time whenever the price comes down to this zone, there's a strong reversal. Can you see that? So again the price is standing at this crucial support and there might be a reversal. That is something that you have to keep looking at. उसके अलावा अगर आप रेजिस्टेंस की बात करेंगे, कितना ब्यूटीफुली आपको जो इंस्टीट्यूशनल लेवल्स हैं वो जब पता होते हैं तो ट्रेड करना आसान हो जाता है. सी व्हेन इट वाज वेरी इजी एक्चुअली. अगर हमें बेयरिश पोजीशन भी बनानी थी तो इट वाज एक्चुअली इजी. दिस जोन हैड टू बी ब्रोकन, राइट? नाउ दिस जोन इज गोइंग टू एक्ट एज अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस नाउ, एंड द नेक्स्ट बिग रेजिस्टेंस इज डेफिनेटली दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया. सो कहां से निकल के आया रेजिस्टेंस? अगर आप देखेंगे तो प्रीवियस लेवल से निकल के आया रेजिस्टेंस. यहां पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो अब आपके लिए जो फ्रेश रेजिस्टेंस और सपोर्ट जोन्स हैं उनको आपको मार्क कर लेना है. देखिए आपके लिए ये पहला जो जोन है ये आपके लिए रेजिस्टेंस 1 रहेगा और ये आपका जो जोन है ये आपके लिए रेजिस्टेंस 2 रहेगा. What I am expecting is that Nifty can maybe consolidate even more in this area for tomorrow's trading session also. Expiry के पहले यहाँ पे और consolidation हो सकता है, but just in case अगर कल ब्रेकआउट होता है, तो आपको यहां इससे पहले बुलिश पोजीशन नहीं बनानी है. 15,720 15,730 का जो जोन है इसको ब्रेकआउट होना जरूरी है. उसके बाद आप एक डिसेंट बुलिश पोजीशन बना सकते हैं. एटलीस्ट टिल दिस पर्टिकुलर लेवल 15,800 के आसपास तक आप एक अच्छी बुलिश पोजीशन बना सकते हैं. ओके, पेशेंस के साथ ट्रेड करना आपको सीखना होगा, तब आप बेहतर ट्रेडिंग डिसीजंस ले पाएंगे. और एक बहुत बेसिक चीज जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं वो ये है कि मार्केट 80% of the days, more than 80% of the days, the market stays sideways. Either the market is in accumulation phase or the market is in distribution phase. तो इस दौरान आप कैसे पैसा बना सकते हैं? Now the strategies are actually pretty simple. At the Millionaire Trader Club, we have been already making money with these strategies, and there are different strategies with different adjustment trades available. And बहुत से लोगों को लगता है कि strategy लगाने के लिए बहुत सारा पैसा चाहिए होता है. Let me tell you, my friend, if you know what you are doing, you don't need a lot of money to build up strategies. You can start building strategies in less than 40,000 rupees, and you can actually build good profitable results from these strategies. Okay, so we have been able to capture 1.5% return on investment in this week till now. Since Friday and Monday, it's just 2 trading sessions, and we have been able to capture 1.5% ROI on our investment at the Millionaire Trader Club. And hopefully if the market stays in our range is basically what? Our range is 15,750 to 15,800. That is the range in which our strategy is being made, and if the market goes and stays in that range, we'll be able to capture good profits from the strategy. So let's see what happens. And now the strategy that I'm talking about is very specific. The strategy that I'm talking about is actually amazing. It's a limited loss and consistent profit strategy. Let's call it consistent profit because it's not unlimited profits. It's not naked option buying. It involves option selling. So it's consistent profit strategy. That you can give it a name, right? This is the name that can be given to the strategies, right? So moving back, I have shown you the levels for Nifty to trade tomorrow. Now let's go to Bank Nifty index. So in Bank Nifty, again, Bank Nifty was also very bearish. And it was consolidating for a very long time during the day, and we actually had a buying position. हमारी buying position 35,458 का जो resistance है उसके ऊपर थी. And देखिए, आपको जब रेजिस्टेंस पता होता है, आपको जब इंस्टीट्यूशनल रेजिस्टेंस, इंस्टीट्यूशनल सपोर्ट जोन्स पता होते हैं, तो आप कितने ब्यूटीफुली अपनी पोजीशंस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको पोजीशन क्रिएट करनी है तो आपको एरिया ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए, आपको मल्टीपल कॉन्फर्मेशंस चाहिए. यहां पे कॉन्फर्मेशन कहां पे मिल रहा था अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर लेवल है दैट इज 35,458. इसी पे बाइंग हमने क्यों डिसाइड करी थी? क्योंकि यहां पे एक इंस्टीट्यूशनल रेजिस्टेंस अवेलेबल है दैट वी कैन सी. दिस इज इंस्टीट्यूशनल रेजिस्टेंस 35,448 इज इंस्टीट्यूशनल रेजिस्टेंस. तो इसके ऊपर अगर ब्रेकआउट मिलता है तो ही हम एंटर करेंगे. दैट वाज द लॉजिक. If we are entering with naked options, naked call options, then this will be the logic. Otherwise, we are already running good strategy in Nifty. So what is the problem? So what happened next? After good gap up and good consolidation, after good gap up, this was a good gap up and there was a continuous consolidation. There was a strong fall in the Bank Nifty index, and let me actually show you just after this fall what happened. Just after this fall, it straight away went to the next support, and the next support was what? The central pivot range. Can you see here? This is the central pivot range. You already know that I only believe in the supply and demand zones. देखिए, सबकी अपनी थ्योरीज होती हैं ट्रेडिंग करने के लिए, सबकी अपनी स्ट्रैटेजीज होती हैं. मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी है सप्लाई और डिमांड जोन पे बेस्ड, सपोर्ट और रेजिस्टेंस पे बेस्ड. सो द नेक्स्ट सपोर्ट वाज डेफिनेटली हियर एट CPR, पॉइंट नंबर 1, एंड दिस वाज अ इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट. जैसे ही यहां पे ब्रेक हुआ उसके बाद आपको CPR तक का एक डिसेंट मोमेंटम इजीली कैप्चर करने को मिल सकता था. सो दिस इज अ सिंपल थ्योरी एंड यू हैव टू स्टार्ट actually to practice these theories. You have to start to learn how to draw better support and resistance zones that actually work. कल के लिए क्या हो सकता है? Let me actually shift this thing to here and you can actually build your buying position above this resistance. अगर हम कल की बात करें तो एक buying position इसके ऊपर बनाई जा सकती है up till this particular zone 35,368, क्योंकि अब 35,400 का जो जोन है ये और भी स्ट्रॉन्ग रेजिस्टेंस इस समय बन चुका है. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस एंड लेट मी एक्चुअली increase this resistance as well. So this is going to be here and this is going to be the next big resistance. So we have all the three major resistance here and this is a big support. 34,941 is definitely a big support. आप पूछेंगे कि सर निकल के कहां से आ रही हैं सारी चीजें? अगर आप देखेंगे थोड़ा पीछे जाके तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा ये कितने क्रूशियल लेवल्स हैं. क्या आपको दिख रहा है? बैंक निफ्टी इंडेक्स के अंदर मल्टीपल टाइम्स इस पर्टिकुलर जोन पे सपोर्ट लिया है बैंक निफ्टी इंडेक्स ने, राइट? मल्टीपल टाइम्स पर्टिकुलर जोन पे सपोर्ट लिया है. इसके अलावा रेजिस्टेंस की अगर बात करें, सो रिजेक्शन, हेंस द रेजिस्टेंस. अगेन देयर वाज अ ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ दिस लेवल, देयर वाज अ ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ दिस लेवल, अगेन देयर वाज अ ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ दिस लेवल, हियर देयर वाज अ ब्रेकआउट ऑफ दिस लेवल. सो जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्रूशियल जोन्स हैं उनके बेस पे आप रेजिस्टेंस से सपोर्ट निकाल के लाते हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ दीज आर बेसिकली द इंपॉर्टेंट जोन्स जहां पे से ब्रेकआउट या ब्रेकडाउन या रेजिस्टेंस फेस हुआ है इंडेक्स को या सपोर्ट फेस हुआ है. ये सारे जोन्स एक्चुअली इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. आपको ये जोन्स मार्क करने आने चाहिए अपने चार्ट्स पे. विद द टॉप डाउन एनालिसिस you have to start analyzing with the daily time frame and then you can come down to the 5-minute time frame for better analysis. okay, तो बैंक निफ्टी के लिए हमने भी कल का डिस्कशन कर लिया है. Now let's go and talk about a few stocks that we have taken out for you from our NR7 power watch list. So there is Dr. Lal PathLabs. So Dr. Lal PathLabs is definitely there. There was a huge fall in Dr. Lal PathLabs in the last few minutes, but just look at Dr. Lal PathLabs as a swing trade setup. It has given us great returns. Can you see that? We actually had the setup a few days back around starting of July month and we had the setup for good target of 3599. Our entry position was very close to 3300 and 3305, 3305 and our target was 3599. Can you see this great momentum of 300 points that has already come into Dr. Lal PathLabs? And when you know what you are doing into the markets, making money actually becomes easy. So this is actually going good. We are still holding on to Dr. Lal PathLabs trade and hopefully we might actually get the target of 3599. That's what I can see from here. And जो क्रूशियल रेजिस्टेंस जोन था डॉक्टर लाल पैथलैब का, वो एक्चुअली ब्रेकआउट हो चुका है. सो लेट मी शो यू व्हाट वाज द रेजिस्टेंस. दिस वाज अ वेरी क्रूशियल रेजिस्टेंस. 3400 was a very crucial resistance and वो successfully breakout हो चुका है. Now we are holding on to the trade with half quantity for a little long and then we will exit on the target, or if it reverses then we'll exit. So this is the condition of Dr. Lal PathLab. अगर आप कल के लिए इसके अंदर ट्रेड सेटअप बनाना चाहते हैं तो क्या हो सकता है, इसको हम समझ लेते हैं. पहले तो 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे स्विच करते हैं और इसको डिलीट कर देते हैं. ओके, सो कल के लिए आपका जो ट्रेड सेटअप रहेगा उस पे ध्यान दीजिए. yes, okay, so if you want to create a long position in Dr. Lal PathLab tomorrow, you have to wait for the breakout of this particular resistance, right? There's a resistance at this level, right? Institutional resistance is there at this level, so we'll wait for a breakout above this level. So let me actually mark the long position over here. Here's a long position tool. So कल हमारा जो buying position रहेगा वो 3535 के ऊपर रहेगा, keeping our stop loss small. And let me actually check the next pivot resistance. Okay, so this is going to be good. If this setup comes into place, this is actually going to give us good return for our money, right? So this can be the setup for tomorrow's trading session. This can come into place and it can give us good returns. So this is about the Dr. Lal PathLab. Now another stock that came into NR7 scanner is PVR. So in PVR, if we see, PVR has been continuously underperforming, and we know the reason, that the economy is not reopening for the entertainment sector as of now. But for tomorrow's trading session, if you want to enter PVR, there's a strong support right now at PVR at the bottom. So let me draw the support for you. Let me extend the support for you. So if the support is broken, we might actually go short in PVR. So let me draw the support zone for you. One second. Let me open up and draw the support area for you. So yeah, here it is, and this is actually a strong support area for PVR. So right now PVR is standing at a decent support, and if the support is broken, you can actually go short in PVR at least till 1348. This particular level 1348, you can go short in PVR at least till this level. Okay, अगर हम लॉन्ग जाने की बात करें तो देखिए, लॉन्ग आपको तभी जाना है जब ये पर्टिकुलर रेजिस्टेंस जो है दैट इज 1388, ये अगर ब्रेकआउट होता है तभी आपको लॉन्ग जाना है. सो वी कैन क्रिएट अ लॉन्ग पोजीशन ओवर हियर इन पीवीआर. लेट मी क्रिएट अ लॉन्ग पोजीशन. सो this can be a good long position and resistance can be your next target. Okay, so this is the setup for PVR. If you want to build a setup in PVR, this can be a good setup. Okay, so आप इसको स्क्रीनशॉट कर लीजिए, कल आप इन लेवल्स पे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. देन देयर इज यूबीएल के अंदर अगर हम देखेंगे तो UBL, again let me switch UBL to 1 hour time frame for a better and a more clear picture. So yes, okay, in 1 hour time frame I can clearly see that UBL has a strong resistance standing at 1490, right? UBL has a strong resistance standing at 1490. So definitely let me mark this important resistance. 1490 का resistance अगर मैं mark कर लूँगा तो मुझे जब मैं स्मॉलर टाइम फ्रेम पे एनालिसिस करूंगा तो आसान रहेगा एनालिसिस करना. ओके, सो लेट मी मार्क दिस रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, दिस इज अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस फॉर यूबीएल. नाउ लेट मी स्विच बैक टू 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम. ओके, 5 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम जब हम आके देखेंगे तो हमको एक क्लियरली दिखेगा कि अभी शॉर्ट टर्म रेजिस्टेंस कहां पे यूबीएल के लिए, ये दिख रहा है शॉर्ट टर्म रेजिस्टेंस. इसको भी हम साथ में मार्क कर लेते हैं. सो दिस इज डेफिनेटली द short term resistance for UBL. okay, this is definitely the short term resistance for UBL. अगर कल आपको ट्रेड सेटअप आपका बनाना है तो आपको इस रेजिस्टेंस के ब्रेकआउट होने पर ही अपना ट्रेड सेटअप क्रिएट करना है अगर आप बुलिश पोजीशन बना रहे हैं तो. सो लेट मी एक्चुअली create a long position for you over here. So this can be a good long position target in UBL if we talk about tomorrow's trading session. Yeah, so yeah, nice, good. This can be the good target in UBL. Okay, आप इसको आप mark कर सकते हैं. It is actually a good target, right? So Aarti Industries, coming back to the next stock, and that is Aarti Industries. And in Aarti Industries we can clearly see that there's a strong resistance that is continuously there at 880-884 zone. इस resistance को हम mark कर लेते हैं ताकि हमारे पास clarity रहे कि इससे पहले हमको एग्रेसिवली बाइंग नहीं करनी है. ओके, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस इन आरती इंडस्ट्रीज फॉर टुमारोज ट्रेडिंग सेशन. सो कल अगर हमको एक्टिवली बाइंग पोजिशन बनानी है, सो वी हैव टू वॉच आउट फॉर ब्रेकआउट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर लेवल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, सो यस, दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ गुड रेजिस्टेंस. इसके पहले हमको बाइंग पोजीशन नहीं क्रिएट करनी है, कोई मेजर बाइंग पोजीशन क्रिएट नहीं करनी है. 880 के पहले देखिए, 880 कल तो नहीं आएगा. इट कैन बी अ गुड स्विंग ट्रेड सेटअप. यहां पे हम मार्क कर लेते हैं. कल के लिए एक छोटा सा रेजिस्टेंस और आपके लिए मार्क कर देता हूं मैं. यहां पे अगर हम लेंगे तो इस रेजिस्टेंस को हम मार्क कर सकते हैं. यस, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी another resistance in Aarti Industries. Okay, now if we want to create a long position Aarti Industries, what can be our setup then? Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. So Aarti Industries has been actually traveling in a range bound manner. Let me show you how in a range bound manner it has been following a trend line sort of way. So let me mark a trend line in Aarti Industries. Okay, so here it is. Can you see that it has been following a trend line? Now what I mean to tell you is that एरिया ऑफ कॉन्फ्लुएंस आपको ढूंढना रहता है कभी भी जब आपने कोई ट्रेड सेटअप बना रहे होते हैं. तो एरिया ऑफ कॉन्फ्लुएंस आपको कैसे मिलेगा? जब कभी ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेक हो जाए और साथ में ये पर्टिकुलर लेवल ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस भी ब्रेक हो जाए तो आपको एरिया ऑफ कॉन्फ्लुएंस मिलेगा, राइट? सो हमको क्या करना है? अपनी लॉन्ग पोजीशन क्रिएट करनी है इस रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर. ओके, इस रेजिस्टेंस के ऊपर हमको अपनी लॉन्ग पोजीशन क्रिएट करनी है. एंड दिस कैन बी अ गुड लॉन्ग पोजीशन विद कीपिंग अ स्मॉल स्टॉप लॉस ओवर हियर, राइट? वी आर कीपिंग अ स्मॉल स्टॉप लॉस ओवर हियर. ओके, सो दिस कैन बी अ गुड सेटअप इन आरती इंडस्ट्रीज. एंड now let's move ahead to Marico. That is the last stock that we are going to discuss for tomorrow's trading session. So in Marico again, there's a strong support and resistance that is available in Marico has been trading in a very small range. So let me mark down the ranges for you. So yes, this is a strong support area. This is a strong support area, right? There's a strong support area. And what is the resistance then? Let me mark the resistance as well. Okay, so this is definitely a strong resistance area. From here on, if you can see, this is a strong resistance area. So you don't have to go bullish before this resistance or this support is taken out. I'm not marking any particular level to go and buy or sell in Marico, but keep a watch on these two levels. Okay, so हमने Dr. Lal PathLab, PVR, UBL, that is United Breweries, Aarti Industries और Marico, इन सभी की बात कर ली है. साथ में हमने निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी की भी स्ट्रांगली डिस्कशन कर ली है. आपको इन सभी लेवल्स को ध्यान में रखते हुए ही ट्रेड करना है, बिकॉज ब्लाइंडली ट्रेड करने से आप स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर पैसा नहीं बना सकते. इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड वेल, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट यू follow all the important levels, all the important zones that are actually crucial for your trading, right? So okay, I hope आपको ये सभी levels और सभी zones clear हो गए होंगे और आप इनको बेहतर तरीके से follow भी करेंगे. So I hope to see you in the next analysis video tomorrow. Just in case if you have not checked out the Millionaire Trader Club, the link is in the description below. Definitely check it out. I hope to see you on the Millionaire Trader course because learning is the most crucial part of earning in the stock market, and most of the people miss this crucial part. They don't want to learn, they just want to come in blindly, follow social media tips and actually eventually lose all their capital, right? So this happens to most of the traders. It happened with me in the beginning of my trading career, but now you have to understand you can actually learn from a mentor or you can learn from your mistakes. It's better to learn from a mentor rather than from your mistakes, because when you learn from your mistakes, you actually lose a lot of money while you are in the process of learning, especially if we talk about stock market or any business in general. So I hope this makes sense to you. Now stay safe, my friends. Keep wearing your mask. Get yourself vaccinated. Take care, and I hope to see you on the next analysis video. This is Utkarsh Bhargav. Thank you for listening to me. You are watching Roaring Bulls, the stock market show.